Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a little belt pouch for carrying whatever you need. I'll open it up here and show you. It's like this, so you can see it's got little places here, so you can run your belt through it or whatever on that. And then it's got all this Velcro thing, so you could Velcro on badges or signs or something like that. Like if I have this for my dog treats or something like that, I could say, you know, donut pets or service dog or whatever like that. And then I've got, it opens up, oops, it's got two zippers. So you can open up this front pouch here so you can have things in here. You can see, look at that. So it's got this nice there. You can clip things onto there, whatever, onto the front part. So there's that pouch there. So I could bring some dog treats or dog other things or whatever I want to do. And then I can open up the back pouch, and it's a little bit bigger. It's made for something that I'm not going to say because it'll get defunded. But you can see you got Velcro and stuff like that. So you can put different things in here and readjust it however you like. I'm just going to put some dog things in there and stuff. So that's what I'll be using it for. And then I can just kind of have it by my side whenever I need it. So kind of cool. I like it. Thumbs up.